Leonie, catch the ball!
Clémence, catch the ball!
Yes, excellent. Hi everyone, so we're learning about rugby and New Zealand and the All Blacks, of course. So, this is our tribute to the All Blacks and the Maori culture. So we're teaching English to kids, you all know that. And we want to teach the Haka, and we've roughly translated the lyrics, what the Haka says in English, for kids to speak in English, because that's the goal here, and along with paying tribute and trying to do our Haka the best way possible. So be nice, we're really trying, and really it's a nice tribute to the whole Maori culture. Okay, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
And starting position. It's there! It's there! It's there! It's there! It's live!